For our first math lesson, of course, we're going to take our Saxon booklet like we always do. This is the very last page in this booklet, so make sure you have your blue folder and your green folder handy. So this is your green folder and this is your blue folder. Make sure you have these handy, okay? You're gonna need those at the end of this lesson. Okay, so at the top of the page, it's Guided Practice 18A. This is page 43 at the bottom, and we're working on the number 17. Okay, so go ahead and use your pencil to write the 1 and the 7 close to each other to make the number 17. 17. 17. Remember, the 7 is a line over and then you slant back down. 17. 17. Okay, so you're writing 4 17s at the top of the page. Okay, that's number 1. Then number 2, it says, the children in Mrs. Nabor's class had 5 balls to play with at recess. Draw a picture of the balls. Okay, so that's really easy since we're mathematicians and we use circles. We're going to draw 5 of those. So make sure you count as you draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the 5 balls right there. And this is going to be a subtraction problem, okay? They gave one of their balls to the children in Mrs. Stewart's class to use at recess. Cross out the ball they gave away. Okay, so they gave out 1, so we're going to cross that out. How many balls do the children in Mrs. Nabor's class have now? Well, we're mathematicians. It's very easy now. We set up the problem here by drawing circles. So now we just go back and we count, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So they have 4 left. They had 5, they gave 1 away, and we counted to show they have 4 left. Okay? All right. So we're going to move on to number 3. It says draw 3 pennies in each square. Again, this is easy because pennies are circles. So we draw 1, 2, 3, and then we can draw 3 over here. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 pennies in each square. And if you want to show that they're pennies, you can put the number 1 on each of them. Okay, so that's how we would show 1 for right now. So those are pennies. So how many pennies is that all together? And we just have to go back and count. And I'm going to put a mark on each one as I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, we don't have to guess. We're mathematicians. We can go back and count. Okay? Now, number 4, it says draw a triangle inside the circle. Okay, so they want you to draw one inside. So that's pretty easy. Remember, a triangle has 3 sides. So for me, what's easy is to draw like a slanted line and then another slanted line like that, like I'm drawing a tent, and then just connect it to close it, almost like the letter A. Okay, but it crosses at the bottom. So there's my triangle. Now it says draw a square to the left of the circle. I write with my right hand. So the left side, all of us, this is the right side, this edge of the page. And then going in here, this is the left side. So we're going to draw a square. And a square has 4 sides, remember? So an easy way to do that is just draw a box. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to try to draw the sides even. It's not the easiest thing to do, but do the best you can. And that's it. We're all done with this page. Give yourself an exit ticket at the top. Okay, I want you to go back to the front of this booklet right now and look and make sure that your name is on the top, okay? I'm going to need that for when I grade this booklet when it comes back to me. Okay, so now this book is going to go inside of your green folder because you're all done with it. Okay, so that goes in there. You close that up. And then I want you to open your blue folder. You have a new Saxon Math booklet. It should have a light blue dot on it. Let's see. Ah, here it is right here. You see it's got a light blue dot. It has the number 18 at the top. So what I'd like you to do for me right now so that you have it, you have your name on it is go ahead and write your name now, because we normally don't write our name on this one when we do our math. We write it on the front of the booklet just once. Okay, so right now, write your name at the top. Okay, I'll write mine. And we're going to save this page to do tomorrow. And now this goes in here where I have my other one, and it's all done. And I close that up and get ready for my next lesson.